I have some beautiful store exclusives from Bird City Comics to show you in this video. Hello my fellow comic book enthusiasts, and welcome to another online comic shop buys video. In this video I am featuring Bird City Comics. So let's take a look at their website first of all. Bird City Comics is based in Arizona. They offer free shipping over $100 within the United States. You can get a 10% off coupon code if you sign up for text alerts. I think email newsletter also. You can see the store exclusives are a whole different animal. They are more expensive. Let's scroll down here and take a look at some of these. They usually range for a trade dress like this Hulk number 6, around $15 to, you see, $30 for the Virgin cover. They have bundles where you can save a little bit more. But for me, to justify it to myself, I really have to be into the character or the title or the artist. So I have three, pardon me, I have three mailers here from Bird City Comics, 6 comic books in total. I'm going to cut these open and show you what I bought. All right, switch to the comic camera. Here you see a little promotional code and a sticker. All right, first up is Hellions number 3. This is by artist Mike Mayhew. Second, we have one of my favorite artists, Carla Cohen. This is Harley Quinn, the animated series, Eat, Bang, Kill Tour, issue number 1. Beautiful cover. Half of these books are Carla Cohen. So let's continue on the Carla train. Department of Truth number 16, the Fight Club homage. Vampirella Dracula Unholy number 2 by Carla Cohen with a certificate of authenticity, limited to 500 copies. Now we have a Greg Horn cover. She-Hulk number 1. That's an homage to Incredible Hulk 377. And finally, another one of my favorites, David Nakayama. Department of Truth, issue number 14. Just a great cover. They all look to be in tip-top condition. They should be for the price. So, small haul from Bird City Comics, a short video. Thank you for joining me. Until next time, Comic On, my friends.